Hopefully the girls are waiting for us up there.
Whereabouts you from?
Iowa.
Iowa.
Des Moines, yeah.
Alright.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Where about?
In the bang in the middle, a place called Leicestershire.
I've got a stepmother who owns a pub in Lancashire.
In Lincolnshire, right? Yeah, Lincolnshire's not far.
Lancashire? I don't know. I thought it was with an A.
The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
She's been over here like 25 years, but her family owns the pub.
You don't know what town?
She said Lancashire. I don't know. I don't know. I probably didn't understand.
You here for long?
Till Saturday. Been here a week.
Yeah.
We come every year.
Ah, good.
It's the first time I've gone to Blizzard Beach, though.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah, not fun. A lot of fun.
Yeah.
I was worried about taking my shirt off till I saw everybody else here. Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah.
I'm not the fattest one out here.
No. What are you going on up here? Do you know?
Well, I should have two girls up here waiting for us. We're going to go down the Steamboat Springs family ride, you know.
Good fun.
Do it.
Yeah.
And then I might try and come up here and use the GoPro and do the summit plummet.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think they're not brave enough, but I will.
The big drop.
The big drop. Put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Watch this, Luke. Watch this. Here it come down. What's that? Summit plummet? Here it comes. Watch. You want to try that? I don't think so. What are you going to do?
We're going to do the raft ride.
Yep. You got some other people going to meet you up there too, right?
Yeah, the wife's there. The daughter's in the one in front.
Alrighty. Look at the snow, Luke. Please raise your feet. You ready? I don't think they can.
You're approaching the unload area.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume.
Alright, you ready? Yeah, dinosaur footprints. Okay.